Hey everybody, it's David here from Bunkie Life. I want to invite you out. We're having our third annual barbecue right here at Bunkie HQ. And I'd like to invite everybody out. Because it's still kind of pandemic season, we might have a few sign-ups and things like that just to make sure we're complying with all the rules and such. But it was a really fun time last year, even with all the restrictions and such. We had a wonderful time. And so we want to invite everybody out that can make it. It's Saturday. We'll have different slots that you can sign up for. And we'll have a barbecue, we'll have cheeseburgers and hot dogs and things like that. And probably some vegan options for those of you who don't eat meat. We'll do the whole thing. So come on out. It's this coming Saturday. And we can't wait to see you there. And in case you're wondering, we do have a few bunkies left for this season. But we're getting pretty close to sold out. So if you're thinking about getting one for this fall, reach out as soon as you can. Looking forward to speaking to you and looking forward to meeting you guys very soon. All the best.